Okay guys, here we have the Swift Spring upgrade for the Toyota Yaris. This is for the rear. These are 5K. Let's take a look. Okay, before we install these, you should go around and measure your ride heights, which I've done in many different locations when I installed the coilovers, so I'm all set to install these springs and set it back where it was. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so the differences to note here is not only is this a harder spring, but Swift is one of the best manufacturers of springs out there. And you can see this is a 5K versus the original 3K from BC. So you want to measure the spring free, and we are at 7 inches and 1/16. This is how we know how much preload to put on it. So BC says separate spring and shock rears require 1/4 to 3/8 preload. So we're going to do 1/4. And that is just about 1/4 right there. And then you will slide the bolt in for your shock right here. And if it doesn't go in, then you know you need to adjust it, readjust it. So that's why we loosen this.